Samsung's just announced Galaxy S24 FE might look and even feel like its predecessor. Let's compare the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE versus Samsung Galaxy S23 FE to see which might be right for you. Galaxy S24 FE is more expensive than the Galaxy S23 FE, starting at $649 instead of $599. Samsung's Galaxy S24 FE is more durable than the Galaxy S23 FE thanks to its Gorilla Glass Victus Plus panels on the front and back. While both smartphones are IP68 rated for dust and water resistance, Samsung's Galaxy S24 FE is larger than the Galaxy S23 FE, with a 6.7-inch display instead of 6.4 inches. With 120Hz display, both phones offer 1900 nits peak brighten. The Galaxy S23 FE was powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 or Exynos 2200, and the Galaxy S24 FE employs the Exynos 2400E chip. Both Fan Edition devices offering the same 8GB RAM and run Android 14 and One UI 6.1. Both phone has a 50MP primary camera, a 12MP ultra-wide camera, an 8MP telephoto camera, and a 10MP selfie camera. The Galaxy S23 FE has a smaller battery than the Galaxy S24 FE, offering 4500 mAh instead of 4700 mAh. Both phones offer the same 25W wired charging. If you are thinking of upgrading from the Galaxy S23 FE to the Galaxy S24 FE, yes, you get a bigger display, larger battery, and longer software support. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.